Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Let's just start with the lesson. Here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition and subtraction, ways to make a number. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first example. So basically, you are given with the four options. You have to see which of the option is the correct one, right? For example, here you have, how do you make 10? You need to make 10, right? You are given four options. These are the options: 10 take away 0. Okay, so the options you are given is 10 take away 0, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 0, 3 plus 6. These are the four options you are given. So to check which one makes 10, right? So the correct option is the first one, 10 take away 0 equals 10, right? Basically, you have to check all the four for the right one you need, right? So the correct one is 10 take away 0. This is already solved. That's why you already know the answers, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how do you make 3? Look, you are given four of the options. 2 plus 0, 10 take away 7, 8 take away 3, and 11 take away 5. You have to select the one that makes 3, right? So you can start with the first one, just add or subtract and see which one makes 3, right? So we know that 2 plus 0, any number 0, when you add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. So 0 plus 2 is 2, right? Then you have 10 take away 7. So you have 7, 8, 9, 10, that is 3. Then 8 take away 5, that is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 5. 11 take away 5 is 6. So the only option that makes 3 is 10 take away 7. That is the correct option. Got it? So when you are given the options, that is very easy. Just add and subtract and you can find the correct one. So the correct one is 10 take away 7 equals 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, how do you make 4? So you have to make 4. Let's see which is the correct option, which option makes 4, right? Okay, the first one is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you have 4 take away 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, the number stays the same, that is 4. Then you have 6 plus 10, that makes 16. Then you have 14 minus 4, that makes 10. So this one is the correct one, that is 4 take away 0 equals 4. This is the correct option. Got it? 4 take away 0 equals 4 is the correct option, right? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, now you have to make 10. How do you make 10? Now you have to check for the options and write the correct option in the chat box. So which is the one that makes 10? which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number 1, that is 10 take away 0 is the correct option, right? That's the only option that makes 10, right? 10 take away 0 is the correct option. How do you make 9? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is, yes, the only option that makes 9 is 9 minus 0 is the correct option, right? Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you make 8? So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Yes, that is 8 take away 0 is the correct option, right? The correct one is 8 take away 0. How do you make 2? So, which is the correct option? You have to make 2. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 take away 2 is the correct option, right? The correct one is 4 take away 2 is the correct option. That is the one that makes 2. How do you make 6? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is, it's the one that makes 6. Option number 4 is the correct option, right? How do you make 7? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 8 take away 1 is the correct option, right? Very good. The correct option is 8 take away 1. That is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Which sign makes the number sentence true, right? Now you have to see, you are given this sentence, you need to put the sign. I think that would be the greater. Yes, that would be the greater. No, that would be, you need to add addition or subtraction, you have to put, right? Which sign is missing. You are given 9, the missing sign in 2, and that equals 7, right? That means both sides are exactly equal. Now you have to see if you add 2 to 9, that makes 7. If you subtract 2 to 9, that makes 7, right? So if you add 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 makes 11. They are not equal in this case, right? Because 11 is not equal to 7. If you subtract 9 take away 2, 9 take away 2 makes 7. So 7 equal 7. Got it? So that means the correct option is subtract. 9 take away 2 equals 7. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is which sign is missing, right? You have to 5, you are given 5, the missing sign 2 equals 7. You have to see if you add 5 to 2, that makes 7, and if you subtract 2 to make 7, right? So 5, let's start. The first option is add. So just add 5 plus 2 equals, yes, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Option number 1 is the correct option, because when you add 2 to 5, that makes 7. So you don't have to check for the second one. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the correct option is option number 1. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? 4. The missing sign 1 equals 5. So which is the correct option? Add or subtract? Yes, the correct one is you have to add 4 plus 1, because when you subtract it doesn't make 5, right? You have to make both sides exactly equal. That's like it look like this. 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 is equal to 5. The correct option is option number 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? Correct option is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Which sign is missing? 8 plus, sorry, 8 missing number 1 equals 9. So which is the correct option? You have to add or subtract. Think and then answer. You write the chat box. Yes, the correct one is you have to add 8 plus 1 equals 9. The correct option is 8 plus 1 equals 9. You need to add them, right? When you add, they makes 9. The next one is which sign is missing? 6. The missing sign 1 equals 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 6 plus 1 equals 5. You have to add, right? The correct option is, you can write option number like 1 or 2, right? So you have to add, because 6 plus 1 equals 5. For which question you are answering minus? Oh yes, 6 take away 1 equals 5. Sorry, you are right. That is subtract minus 6 minus 1 equals 5. Very good. The next one is, which sign is missing? 7 missing sign, 1 equals 6. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, again you have to subtract 7 take away 1 equals 6. The correct option is subtract. You have to subtract 7 minus 1 equals 6. Which sign is missing? 3 missing sign, 2 equals 1. So you have to add or subtract to make it 1. Yes, the correct option is, you have to again subtract, right? 3 take away 2 equals 1. You have to make 1. So you need to subtract 3 take away 2 equals 1. The correct option is 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, the next one is, which sign is missing? 8 missing sign, 3 equals 5, or you have to add or subtract, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is, you have to subtract minus, that is, you need to subtract 8 take away 3 equals 5. The correct option is subtract. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sign is missing? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, you have to subtract, right? 8 take away 2 equals 6. The correct option is subtract. 8 take away 2 equals 6, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is add and subtract facts numbers up to 10. Okay, the first one is you have to subtract, right? So 3 take away 1 is you have to subtract 3 take away 1 equals 2, right? So you simply have to add or subtract. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 9 plus 1 equals 9 plus 1 equals you simply have to add. So 9 plus 1 is the correct option is 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. You have to add. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Subtract 1 take away 0 equals yes 1. Subtracting 0 from any number is exactly the like the number stays the same. 1 take away 0 is 1. Very good. 3 take away 1, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 3 take away 1 equals 2. The correct option is 2. The next one is subtract 8 take away 1 equals yes, that is 8 take away 1 equals 7. The correct option is 7. The next one is 3 plus 0, which is the correct option. Yes, 3 plus 0 equals 3. You simply need to add or subtract, right? Nothing new here. 3 plus 7 equals the correct option is 10, right? 3 plus 7 equals the correct option is 10, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today because that is very easy. You simply have to add or subtract. So I'm going to start the next one, right? The next one is add and subtraction facts numbers up to 18. That's exactly the same one we just did. So let's just start with the test question. Okay, the first one is 8 plus 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you have to add 8 plus 5 equals 13 it is. You have to add, not subtract. 13 it is. 12 take away 8 equals. The correct option is 12 take away 8 equals. Yes, that is 4. You have to subtract. The correct option is 4. 11 take away 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 11 take away 5 is yes, 6 it is. The correct option is 6. You have to simply subtract. That is 6 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 equals. Yes, 6 plus 4 makes 10. The correct option is 10. Next one is add 0 plus 0. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 0 plus 0 is 0, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is The next lesson is addition and subtraction word problems. Word problems you have to. Let's just start with the addition and subtraction word problems. After a forest fire, there are six old trees plus seven baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So you need to calculate the total trees, right? That means you need to add, you have to add 6 plus 7, right? So start with 6 and count until 7. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 makes 13. The correct option is 13, right? Altogether, whenever you have an overall, altogether, collectively these words, that means you need to add them. Let's just start with the test questions. I think that's the same one. After a forest fire, there are six old trees plus seven baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 plus 6 equals, yes, that is 13. The correct option is 13, right? The correct option is 13, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is it usually takes Beth 5 minutes to get home from school. Today it was raining, so it took her 14 minutes to get home. How much longer did it take Beth to get home from school? So you have to calculate the time he take from the time he took to come back home from school, right? So how much longer? That means you need to subtract, right? 14 take away 5 equals, you have to subtract. So 14 take away 5 equals, that is 9. 14 take away 5 is, the correct option is 14 take away 5 is 9. There are two books on a shelf. Four more books are added. Now, how many books are there? So you already have two, right? You added four more. So which is the correct option? Yes, you need to add. So 2 plus 4 makes 6, right? That means now the total books on the shelf are 6. The correct option is 6. A mama bear has eaten 5 fish. Her cub has eaten 2 fish. In all, how many fish have the bears eaten? You have to calculate the total fish they both have eaten, right? So, which is the correct option? So, you have to add, right? 2 plus 5 makes. Yes, the correct option is 7. That means the total fish bears eaten is 7. The correct option is 7, right? Lucy's mother made 9 ham sandwiches and 4 jelly sandwiches for the class picnic. How many sandwiches did she make altogether? So, which is the correct option? You altogether means again you need to add, right? You have to add 9 plus 4, so 9 plus 4 makes. Yes, that is 13. The correct option is 13. Danny and Wesley jumped onto the couch a combined total of 10 times. Then the couch broke and they both got in big trouble. If Danny jumped into the couch 2 times, how many times did Wesley jump on it? So, which is the correct option? The combined total they jumped for 10 times, right? 2 times Danny jumped. You need to count the jumps that Wesley did, right? So, that means you need to subtract 2 from 10. So, 10 take away 2 is 10 take away 2 equals 8. That means if Danny jumped 2 times, then Wesley jumped 8 times. Correct option is 8, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is mixed operations, and the lessons we have covered today are addition and subtraction, ways to make a number, which sign makes the statement number sentence true, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 10, addition and subtraction facts numbers up to 18, and addition and subtraction word problems, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.